Well, Marissa, I'm sorry, you know. Being a single mother, I know it's not supposed to be easy.
You see why I have to hustle?
Yeah, man, me offers that, man.
So, you take away a little farm work from me?
I never said that, Marissa. I just make you know that I'm here all the time to get the thing done, do the youth stuff. You get what I say?
Hi, good afternoon. Can I get an in-drive, please? My name is Carrie. Do you want my address? Everybody knows me there. Come on. Alright. 5 minutes? Okay, perfect. Alright, thank you so much. Robert? 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 This guy. This. You know what's this? This one right here, him just don't hear. Jeez.
That means I can start back Monday.
Yeah, man.
I'm not gonna lie. I didn't miss you.
Miss me?
No, me, the farm.
Still in America. See where the youth is concerned. Just want you know, sir. Yeah, yeah. Anything. Any help.
Thanks, Butcher.
Anyway, still Marissa. I'm going to go back on the farm. Prepare everything for Monday. You're welcome back.
I like how that sound.
Hold on, can I ask you something? Ever think of any revenge for your before?
Not me.
Not you?
You don't know? Maybe other family members.
See how I hit the street, yeah. Yo, Butcher! Butcher! Yo, Butcher! Butcher!
Miss Clarice?
Yes?
In just leave.
Oh, so him come down there?
Yeah.
Good.
But him tell me say, he don't know nothing about it.
Me not expect him to say nothing else. The whole of them are liars and the whole of them are go dead.
Miss Clarice, me not even like this, you know. And him even offer me to help with the baby.
Help with wish pitney. Little girl, my grand pitney is no charity case. You hear me I tell you? Remember say me set you up with a bar. Me a pay the rent. And me a send the pitney guy school. So do what me tell you to do.
Alright, Miss Clarice.
Howdy. Butcher! Hit me, where are you? Yo, Butcher, you know the bot? Well, I know I'm over 21 right now. I'm on the farm. Yo, I need to chat to you. But this side them I come now. Yeah man, just wait for me on the farm, man. Alright, good.